Good afternoon, all. Today we are going to teach MSc second semester soft code 2 plant pathology. Now we will discuss about unit first introduction of plant pathology. Definition: plant pathology is that branch of agricultural, botanical, or biological science which deals with the study of the causes, etiology, resulting losses, and management or control of plant diseases. Plant pathology, also called as phytopathology, is the scientific study of diseases in plants caused by pathogens and environmental conditions like physiological factors. Organisms that cause infectious disease include fungi, oocysts, bacteria, viruses, vivoid, and virus like organism, phytoplasmas, protozoa, nematodes, and parasitic plants. Not included are ectoparasites like insects, mites, vertebrates, or other pests that affect plant health by eating of plant tissues. Plant pathology also involves the study of pathogen identification, disease etiology, disease cycles, economic impact, pathosystem genetics, and management of plant diseases. The term pathology is derived from two Greek words pathos and logos. Pathos means suffering and logos means to study. Pathology means study of suffering. Thus, the plant pathology or phytopathology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of suffering plant. It is both science of learning and understanding the nature of disease and art of diagnosing and controlling the disease. Next is scope of plant pathology. Scope and responsibilities of plant pathology is unlimited. Its ultimate goal is to prevent and control plant diseases of economic importance. Responsibilities of the science of plant pathology may be summarized as under. First one, study of etiology, symptoms, predisposing factors and recurrence of such diseases. Second one, plant pathology deals with the different aspects of plant diseases and has wide scope than human pathology, which only deals with only one aspect, that is plant health. Third one, the branch focuses on understanding how hosts, pathogen, and environments interact to cause plant diseases and on understanding how to control plant diseases. Next is importance of plant pathology. There are several importance. One is plant pathology as advanced techniques to protect crops from losses due to diseases. Second one, the science of plant pathology has contributed disease free certified seed production. Third one, most of the diseases with known disease cycle can now be avoided by the modification of cultural practices. Fourth one, with the knowledge of mode of disease spread, many diseases of economic importance can now be checked, minimized, or controlled. Fifth one, crop improvement and varietal resistance have been achieved against many diseases through the joint effort of breeder and plant pathologists. Plant pathology has made possible to restrict the spread of plant diseases from one place to other and one country to other through suitable measures and quarantine legislation. Next one, diseases can be avoided in cold storage by the application of plant pathological measures as per recommendations made for different diseases for protection of fruits and vegetables in storage. Last one is plant pathology has made possible to utilize toxic substance by producing toxic substances or by competition or by parasitism organism exerting such lethal or damaging effect on the other is called antagonist. This is about the plant pathology. Thank you.